And special thanks to our friends at SmartDevil who were nice enough to send us this quick installation screen protector. It is for an iPhone 13 Pro, 13, 14 it says. And inside of this box is, look at this, very fancy, very nice, easy install. Look at that, love it. All right, nothing else in there. You can even like close it back, that's cool. You have a few items here to help you install everything. Film installation toolkits. This is most likely the screen protector. Yep. So lots of stuff here, but there is 2 screen protectors. And if I slide it out here, you can see, I mean, very, very nice and easy to install. Cover your phone, pull down, you're able to pull this off. I mean, just nice and smooth. And there's, of course, the little frame here that'll help you install everything so that it all works perfectly. You can just pop this on your iPhone and essentially pull this out, and boom, your screen protector should be perfectly fit onto your iPhone without any issues whatsoever. And then, of course, you've got the extra ones if needed. So essentially, that'll do it for this unboxing of the SmartDevil quick installation screen protector. Thanks again to the company SmartDevil, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get, and to give you a little bit of an idea of exactly how you're able to just pop this on, pull, and have your screen protector protecting your iPhone. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.